On Google Chrome Memory Saver is a feature designed to improve performance deactivating inactivating tabs for free up memory and system resource for other tabs and application on Windows 11 and Mac OS. To disable Memory Saver mode for tabs on Google Chrome, use this step. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to disable Memory Saver tabs on Google Chrome. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Chrome. Click the horizontal ellipse menu button in the top right corner and click on Settings. Click on Performance. Turn off the Memory Saver toggle switch. Once you complete the step, Chrome Memory Saver feature will be disabled and inactive tabs will no longer deactivate. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.